It would be nice for the jury to get the full picture of what's going on here. Bob Bianchi, and I just think about Deniq, the way she was abused and mentally tortured to abandon her family, be taken away from her family. Then she just gives birth and has a little baby at home, and then this happens.
Hey, Vinny, I can't really see this much different than the teacher who winds up taking this child and gaining trust and takes him away from his own parents and rapes him at 11 years old to older. But yes, listen, I'm really interested in this case in particular with what we call the 404 or other act evidence and to what extent the judge is going to allow that in. Because typically speaking, all these things that are ancillary to the actual murder itself or kind of outside are not admissible unless they go to prove motive, intent, opportunity plan, absence of mistake, or rebuttal claim or defense. Here it's going to go towards motive. And it'll be the prosecutors need to be a little bit careful here because this is like an instruction I say to people all the time at being a trial training prosecutor. The judge may give you more latitude than the Supreme Court is comfortable with. So be precise, use it, but don't use it too much in order to establish that motive. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what will the court do with regard to the admissibility of the evidence, because you always win or lose on the evidence. And a good prosecutor prepares for that from the day they pick up the file.
And Stacey, a jury's going to want to know why, right? And if the only explanation they have is that he made a mistake, he thought it was someone that was coming after him, and he just got confused, he didn't think it was his so-called wife, at a minimum, they should know that his wife is also his stepdaughter, right?